Another day in the life with Larry. So this is our ornamental purple plum tree that's in the center of our front yard. And I just wanted to show you, this is mistletoe. And mistletoe is something that it sounds like a fun thing at Christmas time, but it grows off of the branch. It sets roots into the branch and it robs nutrients from the tree. So you want to make sure to cut this off, and you don't want to cut it just at the base. You want to make sure to come back away from the mistletoe completely at the joint. So I moved back. I could have cut it here, but I came back well away from it to make sure and get it out. You won't miss this limb out of this big tree. But I just did want to show you mistletoe, although it sounds like a fun thing, it's not good for your tree. It will kill your tree. So anyway, enjoy your yard. Surround yourself with the things you love.
And if you like this video, click
Like us.
subscribe and like us.
Say
Thank
goodbye,
you.
Lenny.
Bye, Lenny.